guys, it's me, the Game Artist here, and I know I've been dead for a while, but I finally got a hold of something to make a video on. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Power set. It's a pretty awesome set. It comes with a bunch of variant cards of arts, and also the packs are pretty epic. So, I guess let's just dig right into this. Okay, we've got the promo cards and the packs, which are very important to any set. But also, we have the crunchy game mat.
Crunchy?
Crunchy.
You don't like it?
No, it's pretty cool. Like, the art's pretty cool. Just, like, generally,
Hold it
these
still so they
game
can see
mats
it.
don't work out too well. Just because they're really stiff.
What's on the back? Epicness.
Okay.
It'd be good if you were playing blind Yu-Gi-Oh! You could set it up as a blinder for your field.
Okay, well, let's open up first off the variant cards. It has all of the protagonists' ace monsters. We've got Dark Magician, Elemental Hero Neos, Stardust Dragon. By the way, this is probably my favorite art out of the 6 variant cards.
Not to be confused with Powder Puff Dragon.
Number 39, Utopia, Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon, and Decode Talker. The only ace monster ever so far to have not have 2500 attack, because Firewall Dragon is banned and it wouldn't make much sense to print him in here, so they just decided Decode Talker is his ace monster now. Well, let's open up these packs. They're 5 cards per pack, all at ultra rare status. Let's see if I can open these things. Okay. First pack has Hot Red Dragon Archfiend Abyss. This is how my dad thinks all Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards should be named. Linkaribo, so I can replace those Linkaribos in my in that Blue Eyes deck with a hollow one. Magician of Chaos. Also, by the way, despite Linkaribo is not terrifying, it's actually a pretty good card. The Winged Dragon of Ra, Immortal Phoenix.
Throw back to Egypt there.
Well, yeah, that was the whole original theme of the first Yu-Gi-Oh! Anime. And Shadal Construct. Not to be confused with El Shadal Construct, that's their fusion monster. Which some people are saying might go back to 3 this coming ban list. So I'm pretty excited for that. Let's open up the next pack. We've got Silver Gadget, Shrit, the strategist of the Necros. Ooh, the card that negates anything to do with the graveyard, Ghost Bell, and Haunted Mansion. That one gets to go off on its own, because I like that one. We have Link Disciple.
Odd Eyes Advanced Dragon.
Yes, I know. Next pack is, also, it was really a missed opportunity for them not to put, like, all 6 of the ace monsters, 1 on each pack. Because all of these just have Dark Magician, and that's just kind of a missed opportunity in my opinion. But never mind that, let's get back to the cards. Shining Draw, Photon Advancer, Security Dragon. Bit late for this card to get printed now, but it's pretty cool. Decode Destruction, Double Bite Dragon, my 3rd copy of Dark Magical Circle, so I'll have mostly complete Dark Magician deck now. We have Bond Between Teacher and Student.
Is that Dark Magician Girl?
Yes, and Dark Magician. Also, those are my... That noise right there, that's my dogs. They're playing. Okay, Bond Between Teacher and Student. Goki Cage Match. And Mark of the Rose. Okay, let's... Mowgli. Let's open the next pack. We have Double Hero Attack, Utopic Onomatopoeia, Onomatopoeia, as in words that make a sound, Aromage Jasmine, Necros of Clausulus, Toon Dark Magician Girl. And that's it for that pack. And on to the very last pack. Let's see what we get in this. We have Necro's Mirror, Winged Dragon of Ra Sphere Mode.
Ooh.
That's a good card because it allows you to tribute off 3 of your opponent's monsters. Dark Cavalry, Performapal Smile Sorcerer.
At least that ain't as kind of weird as the other Performapals. It looks good.
Righty Driver. And that's it for that pack. That's going to be it for this unboxing. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow my art Instagram at Well, it's called Weird Artist, and it's at OnePuncher857. And Dad's probably zooming in on my face or something.
Why is it called One Puncher?
Just cause I'm into One Punch Man, that's the thing I was able to think of.
Oh.
But yeah, if you want to go follow me there
What would
for
win
some
between
art stuff,
One Punch
Dad,
Man and
that's
Dark
not
Magician?
that's not related to the video.
It is. It's Yu-Gi-Oh.
This is the outro.
But Yu-Gi-Oh.
Okay, well, you guys down in the comments, assuming you guys actually comment, you answer down.